peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got something a little bit festive for you, something that you might like for a stocking filler or two. Now, my wonderful hubby happened to be in Aldi and picked these up because he thought they would be just the treat. They were about £1 each. They were in that, the middle aisle. So I can't promise they'll still be there now, but I did think they were pretty cool. So we've got diamond your own cards, Christmas edition, and colour your own cards. So I thought we'd have a look and see. So this one says 3 printed envelopes, 3 printed cards, 3 envelopes, 100 gems in 4 colours, wax pad and plastic gem tray. So let's get all of this out of here. Oh, goodness. Okay, now the only thing I will say right away, these are incredibly cute cards, but they appear to have glue kind of everywhere. I don't know if you can see where the light is shining. So it's not on the background and it's not on these gold stars, but it is in several other places. So you may need to just be a little bit careful when it comes to sealing them. We've got a lovely chunk of red wax. We've got your standard pink pen, a little green tray, everything we would need. Let's have a little go. So I'm going to go by the picture because it's basically a make it up as you go along, which is quite nice. So we've got red, green, pink and black. The nice thing, of course, is if you're like me and you've got hundreds of diamonds kicking about because you've been doing this a while, you could use whatever you wanted. Add a bit of sparkle. I'm just going to go in with some red to start with. Now the hat's only, the scarf is sticky, the hat is not. So that's a rubbish tray. Maybe it's because I put too many in there, but I just think that it's not what I'm used to. It'll do though, it will do the job. So let's just peel that back. Gosh, back to using a pink pen. I haven't used one of these for a while. Load it up with some wax. This would be great for you to do with little ones if you're supervising. Alternatively, obviously you could give these as kits, or you might want to make them and then give them. They would be a good introduction for anyone that has seen you diamond painting and thinks that they might like to have a little go. The freedom to kind of put the gems anywhere is quite nice and would be good for a beginner. No complaints with the wax or pen. It is, what you'd expect, which is lovely. The glue is nice and sticky. So yeah, I think these are kind of cute. I think what I probably would do is, the scarf had some little stripes on it and I'm just going along the stripes at the moment. But I think because the whole scarf is sticky, what you could do is go back in with another colour and fill in those gaps, particularly if I've got some micro gems. I've no idea if that's the correct name for them. That's what I've always called them. From when I did the Craft Buddy pin badges, they came with some non-standard extra tiny diamonds, and I think that would be a good idea for something like this to add a bit of extra sparkle. I've also noticed that these dots are looking for some gems too, and we've got the ones on there as well. So yeah, but you don't have to worry about symbols. So if you are somebody, or somebody who's perhaps got some vision difficulties, and regular diamond painting just wouldn't work for them. This is a nice way for them to still be able to enjoy this hobby, have a go at it. And I can see in the picture they have also done this present as well. So yeah, there is something quite freeing to just being able to put them wherever you like. Obviously I'm more or less following the picture. I just realised that I had a massive glare from the light on it there and you couldn't really see. But I think this is pretty cute. I'm only going to do the one colour for now, I think. And then I might skip if I can get it. If I can get my words out, my goodness. If I get this finished completely, I will, of course, pop a little picture in for you so you can see it. See, the bow is also sparkly. The bow is also, oh goodness. I'm recording late at night and it's never a good idea. Yeah, the bow on here is also glue. So I'm just gonna fill that out with some diamonds too. Right, so yeah, I will come back and finish this at the end. I really like it. And so you get 3 in the kit, really nice. Let's have a look at the other one. So the other one is colour your own cards. It's a 5-pack of cards instead of a 3. You get 5 cards, 5 envelopes, a sheet of stickers, and 4 mini colouring pencils, which I didn't expect actually, so that's quite nice. Are they going to be any good? Who knows? Oh. Right. So we've got our 5 envelopes. We've got our cards. Your 4 basic colour pencils. And then our cards, we've got Merry Christmas with penguins, Christmas wishes with a reindeer, Let It Snow with a snowman, Merry Christmas with a Christmas pud, and Ho 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 with Santa. And then we've got some lovely stickers as well, so they'd be nice to use on the envelopes. So let's just pick see, I want to pick one that's got some decent use of colour in it. I think I'm going to go with a Santa. I will try the pencils just to get an idea of whether they're any good. They're all right. They're fine. You're not going to get, you know, the best coverage with them. This one particularly has been sharpened quite badly. But they're fine. So you could obviously use the pencils that come with the kit. That would be completely fine. However, I prefer a slightly quicker method of colouring. So I'm going to go in with some alcohol markers and just give it a bit of a deeper colour. Ooh, and a bit of a squeak. There we go. So if you are doing this and you've got crayons or colour pencils of your own, you can of course add those. And this paper with no bleed through, it's card really, no bleed through from using alcohol markers, so you'd be absolutely fine with felt tips. It is a bit squeaky though. Now, I've gone for the red and white Coca-Cola Santa. I am personally a big fan of a Santa in green. I just think there's something very lovely about a green Santa. You don't see them very much, but if I ever see decorations that have got Santas in green, or occasionally Santas in gold, you find, and I am a bit of a fan of that. Sort of hints more towards the idea of a green man. Yeah, the holly and the oak king at this time of year. Let's just give him a little red nose because he's been out in the cold. And we'll do the ho 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 in red too. Right. This forest green is a little bluer than I'd expected. Right, I'm going to finish getting this coloured, and I will finish the other card, and then we'll come back and I'll show you them at the end. See you on the other side. Okay, lovely peeps, so this is my 2 cards finished, my diamond art card and my colouring card. I had a lot of fun with them, and I think that you will too. So if you can, pop down to your local Aldi, check these out. We've got the diamond your own cards from Play Ink and colour your own cards also from Play Ink. Do give them a try if you can find them, and let me know if you do. I hope that you've enjoyed this little festive treat from me. I will see you again very, very soon with something new. And until then, stay crafty.